Welcome to Number of the Day. What we are going to do in this section, this is something new. We are going to find different ways to show the number up here. Now that number will change. The activities in this page will not change. Oops. Okay, so this number will change. So just for today, that's our example, 26. So we go to the first activity here with this place value, box it. So what that means is you have to take this number and work out, does it have any hundreds in it? Does it have any tens in it? Does it have any ones in it? And how many does it have? So does it have any hundreds? No. 26. So let's take the 20. 20 is made up of how many groups of 10? That's what you have to ask yourself. I'm giving you the answers today, but the next time you do it, you will need to work that out on your own. So this 20 here is made up of two groups. It says there's your clue. Two groups of 10. So you write 2 in there. Then you go to this number here, the ones column. How many ones does this number have? 6 ones. So you write the number 6 in the ones column. And that's showing place value for this number. All right, here is another different way to show the place value. You need to color it. So does this number have any hundreds? No, so leave that alone. How many groups of tens did we say this number had? 2. So here are your tens or your longs. Each long is worth 10. So how many do you think you would color in? You would color in 2 longs to show 20. So you color in 2 longs, that will show the 20, and there's 6 ones. Here are your ones. You have to count 6 of them to color in. And that's, you've showed a different way. You've shown 26. Okay? Then we go to the next one. This one says mark it. Is 26 an odd or an even number? So when you've worked that out, you color the right number in. Now 26 ends in 6, and 6 is an even number. So you would color in this word because that says even. We go to this activity. This one says solve it. Solve it. What is 1 more than 26? Remember, we're always working with 26. 1 more than 26 is whatever you think it is, but 10 more than 26. So what is 10 more than 26? Use your number chart that I gave you, that is in your pack if you need help. 10 more than 26, I'll tell you for today, it's 36 because we're counting by tens. 36. Now we go the other way. 1 less than 26. What's 1 less than 26? And that is 25. What is 10 less than 26? So instead of going down the column in your number chart, you're going back up. And 10 less than 26 is 16. Okay, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Now we come down here and we're going to stretch the number. We're going to take it apart. So you know how we said it had 2 tens? So we might stretch it and put 10 plus 10. So that gives us our 20. 10 plus 10. And we've got, how many ones here did we have? 6. So 10 plus 10 plus 6 equals 26. And you write that again because you've stretched out the number. And this is This is a mix-it-up one. Oops. What's the biggest number you can make with the digits? Remember, digits is a fancy word for number. And then what's the smallest number you can make with the digits? So think about the number 26. Do you need to swap it around to make a different number that will be more than 26? What's the biggest number you can make? And what's the smallest number you can make? So this is a play with numbers. We need to work out what we know and how we can show what we know with our numbers. Don't forget to write your name at the top, please. So this is the example. And the next day and the next day, there are 2 more for you to do by yourself during the week. We'll see how you go.